Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to remove Vauxhall Astra J diesel water pump. You will need a 10mm socket to remove the 4 nuts holding the water pump. The first step is to remove the engine mount and belt. This will be added in the description below or a link in this video. A failing water pump can cause several problems, including coolant leaks, overheating, and unusual noises. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Coolant leaks. Look for green or orange puddles under your car, or if you see coolant around the water pump itself. These leaks can indicate a worn seal or a cracked housing. Engine overheating. If your engine temperature gauge is consistently high, or if you see steam coming from the engine, it could be a sign of a failing water pump. Whilst removing the 4th nut, water will pour between the pump and the engine. This is normal. If you want to keep your driveway clean, you may put drain pan. Finally, it's time to remove the water pump. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.